Also, you got the Metal Militia souvenirs in the corner of the building. And on the other side, Bud Up Apparel. Visit all the souvenir stands here today and support Monster X Tours and the drivers. Once again, Michelle Lunsford, you did win a souvenir pack from Monster X Tours for your comments on Facebook. So head on down here to the corner of the arena. She took a picture, and she's got a picture on Facebook. So get in there and check it out. Again, before you leave tonight, make sure you get on Monster X Tours, Monster Truck Entertainment on Facebook and like our page. We love the comments. We want to hear what you guys like about our show, what you think would be better to improve our show, and different events you would like to see in the future for more shows up and coming.